checking in today after all the storms we've had here in North Carolina. And hopefully that means that this has helped cleanse some things in your area, as well as some of yourself within your anxiety, your PTSD. Make sure that you're getting outside and doing some grounding. Also, after you've completed, your workouts, maybe you've done some meditation. So let's go ahead and let's do a little bit of grounding. Take that deep breath in. And again, another deep breath in. One more really deep breath in. Hopefully that's helped centered you for the rest of the day. Take that time, anytime you need this, to go ahead and replay this video and let this help you continue to ground as you move about your day.